Let's see if we can get some live pollination on video again today. Yesterday I got two separate videos of bees pollinating. Yesterday, and I'm going to show you what they did too. Yesterday they pollinated my yellow squash, and there it is. Look, you can tell it got pollinated. It's getting bigger and yellower. So that's a yellow squash, and they did that yesterday. And then this morning, like I said, my green one opened up, my green zucchini, and that's right here. Let me see if I can get up in there. The bees be getting mad. Alright, see it right there? Here they come. That big green zucchini. Alright. So let's watch. Because all they have to do is go to a male flower, which is this. And that's a male because there's nothing there. It's nothing underneath of it. So they go here. They touch all in there. All in the pollen. Then they go to the female one that has a zucchini on it. And you can see it. It's a thick green stem. Then they touch all in there. And then you'll have a zucchini. Just like we got a squash here. So we got another yellow straight neck squash in that one. We got one there. There's one here. And then this is green. This is big. And we got watermelon. There's two onions right there. There's an onion there. And then there's an onion growing here underneath of the watermelon. But that's okay. It ain't doing nothing but giving it shade if it gets too sunny. I do have a butternut squash on the way. And that's what this plant is. And it's right here. If you're a gardener or somebody who plants, you could tell what the little nodules and stuff are. See, that's a little butternut squash. It's going to be one soon. As soon as it opens up and the flower does the same thing like over there and it gets pollinated, it's going to be a butternut squash. This I can't believe. The tiniest thing is the best thing out here. It's going to be an orange tree. And depending on if the other two grow, it's going to be 3 orange trees. But look at it. A real tree, not just a plant. Something he's going to keep for a long time. That'll be around for a long time. I moved this pot over here from the wood. I think that wood had something wrong with it because I got spots all over it. It's not supposed to have spots and green leaves like that. It's supposed to be dark and pretty like that one. But it's coming back to life. Got a flower open on it, so that's a good sign. It's doing okay. But this right here, look, he's over here pollinating my eggplant. I'm about to cut that this morning and cook it. Because I think it's long enough. Poor thing don't even have no more room to keep growing. Tomatoes. They're beefsteak tomatoes. And then another butternut squash. Right here. And those are mussel shells. After you eat mussels, you can rinse them out and dry them out in the sun and save them. You put them around your plants. It helps keep the water in, the moisture. Uh-oh, 2 of them. About to fight. Now he went in there. Yep, see, and then all, come on, come on. No, go to the right plant, to the right flower. See, he keeps going to this yellow one over here. Okay, he's in there. We can 100% sure say we will have a green zucchini. It's not the first time it went in there, it's the second time, so safe to say we'll have a zucchini. Coming back for more.